Welcome to our tutorial on how to effortlessly migrate your data to CreamSoda. Whether you're using spreadsheets or another CRM system, we've got you covered. With CreamSoda, you can import all of your sales data, including contacts, which includes person and company details, deals, and products. We recommend that you import your contacts first to get the most out of the import functionality. Before we begin, let's prepare our spreadsheet. Start with a clean spreadsheet devoid of any formulas. Alternatively, you can download a sample spreadsheet from the import data page. Ensure each spreadsheet contains only one tab with data, and avoid special symbols in numeric or monetary fields. If you need to include the currency type for a monetary field, such as Canadian dollars, add the 3-letter currency code before the amount. For improved readability, ensure that the names of the columns are provided in the first row of the spreadsheet. When you need to import a list with multiple choices, like a multi-select list, use a semicolon to separate the values. For example, if Adam Smith has 2 email addresses, put both addresses in the email column and separate them with a semicolon. Before you start importing data into CreamSoda, it's crucial to consider the inclusion of mandatory fields. These native fields are necessary for each type of data you're importing. For instance, when importing contacts into CreamSoda, you'll need to map a field to CreamSoda's person name column, as person name is a mandatory field in CreamSoda. If your spreadsheet contains data fields that are not natively supported by CreamSoda, you'll need to add custom fields. Custom fields allow you to capture data that is specific to your business. When you set up a custom field that you want to import, ensure that you have enabled the Display Property and Create Page option. Import functionality will not work without enabling this feature. For help creating custom fields, check out our tutorial video on custom properties. Now, let's start importing data into CreamSoda. Click on More Options from the side menu bar. Scroll down to the Import Data section and click on Import Data button. From the top left corner of the page, select the type of data you want to import. Click on the Add File button and select the spreadsheet you prepared for the import. On the left side of the screen, you'll find the Excel column names, while the CreamSoda data fields are listed on the right side. Match each Excel column you wish to import with the corresponding CreamSoda field. Click on the Import button to start the import process. Upon completion of the import process, scroll down to the Previous Imports section. The initial entry in the table indicates whether CreamSoda successfully imported the data. If there are errors during the import, CreamSoda generates a skip file. This file details the errors encountered. Fix the issues directly on the skip file and import it to complete the import process. If you have a particular sales or marketing objective in mind for the imported data, CreamSoda offers the flexibility to incorporate the imported data into an existing static list or create a new static list with the imported data. Check out our video on lists if you want to learn more. If you wish to roll back the data you just imported, you can click the Delete button. This will undo the import process. And that's it! You've successfully imported your data into CreamSoda. You can now take advantage of CreamSoda's visual sales pipeline and automations. Thank you for watching.